Hello, beautiful yogis. Welcome back to Yoga 947. Let's talk about focus. It's our superpower. Think about your day. Every task, every conversation needs your attention. We live in a busy world. Distractions are everywhere. But when we can focus our minds, amazing things happen. We learn better. We work smarter. We connect more deeply with others. Yoga can help us train this incredible mental muscle. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. For centuries, yoga has been more than just physical poses. It's a journey inwards. We connect our breath, body, and mind. Certain yoga asanas or poses are especially powerful for boosting concentration and memory. These poses calm the nervous system. They improve blood flow to the brain. They help us feel grounded and clear. Worldwide, people are rediscovering these ancient practices. From the bustling cities of India to the serene mountains of China, yoga unites us in seeking mental clarity. Let's explore some of these incredible poses together. What's wonderful about yoga is that it's rooted in ancient wisdom, yet totally relevant to our modern lives. Science is now catching up with what yogis have known for ages. Studies show that regular yoga practice can lead to improved memory and recall, increased attention span, reduced stress and anxiety, and enhanced cognitive function. These benefits aren't limited to any one culture or background. Yoga is for everyone. India is often called the birthplace of yoga. Here, amidst vibrant colors and ancient traditions, yoga asanas were developed and refined over thousands of years. These poses aren't just about stretching or flexibility. They're about finding balance within ourselves. Each movement is linked to the breath. This mindful connection helps quiet the chatter of the mind. Let's travel to India in our minds. Imagine practicing these poses surrounded by the Himalayas, listening to the gentle flow of the Ganges River. Feel the peace and clarity that arises. Finding stillness in a hectic world. Padmasana, or Lotus pose, is a powerful tool for achieving inner peace and tranquility. Padmasana, the Lotus pose, is iconic in yoga and meditation. It symbolizes purity and enlightenment, often depicted in ancient texts and sculptures. It looks challenging, and it does take practice. Beginners may find it difficult to achieve the full pose initially, but with consistent effort, progress is inevitable. But even working towards Lotus can bring amazing benefits. The journey itself enhances flexibility, strengthens the lower body, and improves overall posture. Sit tall, legs crossed, feet close to the hips. This foundational step is crucial for stability and comfort. Rest your hands on your knees, palms up or down. This hand position, known as a mudra, helps channel energy and focus. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders. Maintaining a straight spine is essential for proper energy flow and reducing tension. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Deep breathing calms the mind and enhances the meditative experience. This pose helps calm the nervous system. It promotes concentration and mental clarity, making it easier to enter a meditative state. It allows you to sit comfortably for longer periods, deepening your meditation practice. Over time, Padmasana can become a gateway to profound inner peace and self-discovery. Cultivating calm and focus. Tadasana, or mountain pose, is a fundamental yoga pose that embodies the essence of stability and strength. Don't underestimate the power of simplicity. This seemingly basic pose holds profound benefits for both the body and mind. Tadasana, or mountain pose, is the foundation of all standing poses. It sets the stage for more complex postures and helps build a strong practice. It's a powerful way to improve posture, balance, and focus. By practicing Tadasana regularly, you can enhance your overall alignment and stability. Stand with feet hip-width apart, arms at your sides. This alignment helps distribute your weight evenly and provides a solid base. Ground down through your feet, lift through the crown of your head. Imagine a line of energy extending from the earth through your body and out the top of your head. Engage your leg muscles, but keep your knees relaxed. This engagement helps build strength while maintaining flexibility. Relax your shoulders down and back, chest open. This posture encourages deep, calming breaths and opens the heart center. Feel the strength and stability of the mountain within you. Visualize yourself as a mountain, grounded and unshakable. Tadasana helps us feel grounded and present. It connects us to the earth and brings a sense of calm and focus. It's a wonderful pose to practice anytime you need to recenter and find your focus. Whether you're starting your day or taking a moment to pause, Tadasana can help you reconnect with your inner strength and stability. the flow of energy. China's Tai Chi and Qigong. Our journey takes us now to China, a land rich in ancient traditions and practices that have been passed down through generations. Here, practices like Tai Chi and Qigong focus on cultivating Qi, or life force energy, which is believed to flow through all living things. These ancient arts involve slow, flowing movements, deep breathing, and meditation, creating a harmonious balance between the mind, body, and spirit. They're often practiced outdoors, connecting with nature's energy, which enhances the overall experience and benefits. Tai Chi Chuan. This meditation in motion improves balance, coordination, and focus, making it an excellent practice for people of all ages. Its gentle movements calm the mind and promote relaxation, helping practitioners to achieve a state of inner peace and tranquility. Qigong. These energy exercises focus on cultivating and balancing Qi within the body, which is essential for maintaining good health and vitality. Qigong can improve concentration, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being, making it a valuable practice for modern life. By integrating these practices into daily routines, individuals can experience profound physical and mental benefits. Global connections. Yoga unites us. From the Himalayas to the Great Wall, the pursuit of mental clarity unites us all. Yoga transcends borders and cultures. It's a shared language of movement, breath, and mindfulness. Today, people from all walks of life are discovering the transformative power of yoga. In bustling cities and quiet villages, on mountaintops and beaches, we come together to breathe, move, and connect. This shared practice reminds us of our interconnectedness. Don't forget to hit the like button. We would like you to connect with us by sharing your comments. We are all students, always learning and growing. Your journey to enhanced concentration. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself as you explore these poses. Start slowly, listen to your body, find a quiet space where you feel comfortable. Practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Notice how you feel before, during, and after your practice. With consistent effort, you'll start to notice the benefits in all areas of your life. Find your focus, find your strength. As you cultivate greater focus and clarity, you'll unlock your true potential. You'll approach challenges with more ease and confidence. You'll connect more deeply with yourself and the world around you. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and step onto your mat. Your journey to a calmer, more focused you starts now. Until next time, thank you for watching. Namaste.